When the Hawaiian skies were illuminated by the glow of otherworldly green lights in early 2023, the locals couldn't help but be mesmerized. Yet, even scientists and experts were initially at a loss to explain the enigmatic phenomenon. Footage captured by the powerful Subaru-Asahi Star Camera, located on the Mauna Kea volcano, showed the spectacle of bright green lines glimmering against the pitch black, misleading Japanese researchers into thinking the beautiful effect had been caused by a NASA satellite. But as it turns out, it was not an American spacecraft that caused the rain of light, but a Chinese satellite that created the optical effect, threatening not only Hawaii, but the entire globe with a fate more dire than war itself. Just as a mysterious Chinese satellite lit up Hawaiian skies with an unexpected spectacle, Enlisted lights up our screens with vivid battlegrounds from history's most intense wars. Enlisted is a groundbreaking FPS that blends PvP with PvE combat. You'll lead a customizable squad of AI soldiers through enormous, historically accurate World War II battles, from the chilling outskirts of Moscow in 1941 to the heart of Berlin in 1945. Enlisted is more than a game. It's a journey through history, with over 100 weapons, tanks, and aircraft at your disposal, including classics like the M4 Sherman, and each campaign offering unique equipment and settings. You truly step into the shoes of those who fought before us. What's most exciting about Enlisted is the variety of soldier classes with unique skills that can be customized and upgraded. The thrill of perfecting your riflemen or SMG-wielding engineers is unmatched. Experience the journey for yourself. Play Enlisted now for free on PC, PlayStation, or Xbox using the link in the description below. Plus, register using our link for a free bonus pack, including weapons, soldiers, and a premium account. Are you ready to march onto the battlefield in Enlisted? Let's make history together. The Great Unidentified. In the early months of 2023, the skies above Hawaii became a playground for eerie and inexplicable lights that appeared abruptly during the night. Numerous instances of these perplexing phenomena were recorded, including mysterious blue spirals that left both locals and experts bewildered and awestruck. Making the situation even more baffling, the series of sightings have become part of a wave of mysterious objects in the sky, with recent reports of the U.S. Air Force shooting down flying objects. While some of the aerial objects have been identified as a Chinese spy balloon or a civilian one, others remain shrouded in mystery. Surprisingly, it was suggested that the origins of these baffling light shows may be terrestrial rather than extraterrestrial. In fact, some researchers posited that these displays could have earthly sources. On January 19th, researchers shared a time-lapse video of a bright white orb moving slowly across the sky. Suddenly, the white dot began to expand, transforming into a perfect blue spiral before disappearing into a ghostly ring. The strange celestial display was captured on a live-streaming camera set atop Mauna Kea on Hawaii's Big Island. Despite its otherworldly appearance, experts quickly attributed the bizarre spiraling object to a recent SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket launch. The two-stage reusable rocket, launched from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida, was responsible for delivering a GPS satellite into orbit for the U.S. Space Force. However, within a few days, another eerie sight sent shivers down the spine to the local population and even confounded scientific experts worldwide as ghostly green beams flickered across the night sky. Rain of light. Although Hawaiians were initially perplexed by the seemingly extraterrestrial light show that appeared to have originated in the depths of space, the enigmatic effects were ultimately determined to be of terrestrial origin. The green strands of flashing laser beams first appeared during a live stream in footage from the Subaru-Asahi Star Camera situated on the Mauna Kea volcano. A week after the incident, experts at the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan, who co-own the camera, explained that a NASA satellite was responsible for the spectacle. The Subaru Telescope's official Twitter account then reported that, quote, "On January 28, 2023 HST, Subaru-Asahi Star Camera captured green laser lights in the cloudy sky over Mauna Kea, Hawaii. The lights are thought to be from a remote sensing altimeter satellite, IceSat-2 43163. As explained by the New Scientist magazine, the Ice, Cloud, and Land Elevation Satellite 2, or ICESat-2 orbiter, quote, can measure glacier height, sea ice, forests, lakes, and more, and help scientists monitor changing ice sheets in Arctic and Antarctic regions. NASA launched the revolutionary ICESat-2 satellite in 2018, with the objective to capture highly detailed 3D measurements of the Earth's surface. In truth, the ICESat-2 is quite unique. Not only is it directed towards its planet of origin, but its remarkably sensitive lasers can also detect minute terrestrial details. This capability is invaluable in measuring Arctic sea ice thickness, crucial data that scientists use primarily to monitor the progression and impacts of human-induced climate change. Moreover, the satellite's only onboard instrument is the Advanced Topographic Laser Altimeter, or ATLAS, named after the mythological character. It was this first device that was initially thought to have caused the ethereal green strands of flashing laser beams, which appeared to cascade from the heavens. However, a week later, upon reevaluating its initial hypothesis, NAOJ concluded that based on the trajectory of the lights, they were unlikely to have originated from NASA's satellite after all. Technological solutions. Startling reports suggest that the enigma surrounding the green lights observed over Hawaii in January 2023 may have been solved. According to a NASA scientist, the elusive green lights can be attributed to the Chinese pollution monitoring satellite Dachi-1. Launched from the Taiyuan Satellite Launch Center in April 2022, Dachi-1 is part of a new series of Chinese satellites designed to monitor the Earth's atmosphere and combat air pollution. It can detect nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, ozone, and fine particles, among other pollutants. Using advanced laser technology, Dachi-1 aims to significantly enhance global carbon and atmospheric pollution monitoring. Furthermore, Dachi-1 has specialized instrumentation that uses laser beams to detect pollutants and help scientists monitor global climate change. It's the first in a new series of Chinese satellites called Dachi, and it will soon be followed by Dachi-2, which will monitor greenhouse gases. These satellites will also collaborate in their observations, employing both active and passive sensing methods to collect data. Dachi-1 boasts an array of 5 remote sensing instruments, including laser imaging, detection and ranging, or LiDAR, a high-precision polarization scanner, a multi-angle polarization imager, an ultraviolet hyperspectral atmospheric composition detector, and a wide-field imaging spectrometer. While it is posited that the laser beams emitted by Dachi-1 might have caused the peculiar green lights witnessed over Hawaii in January, the implementation of LiDAR technology in monitoring Earth's atmosphere is not a recent development. Revelations. For over 15 years, the Cloud Aerosol LiDAR and Infrared Pathfinder Satellite Observation, or CALIPSO, has been exploring the mysteries of our planet from its orbit in space. Armed with the High Spectral Resolution LiDAR, or HSRL, CALIPSO has uncovered some incredible secrets about our world, including the North Atlantic phytoplankton bloom. NASA has been using LiDAR for atmospheric studies for decades, with the LiDAR in Space Technology experiment pioneering the effort in 1994. This groundbreaking system was loaded into the Space Shuttle Discovery and sent into space to measure Earth's cloud cover, paving the way for future research. Although LiDAR technology's application in monitoring Earth's atmosphere has been established for some time, Dachi-1's advanced capabilities represent a significant advancement in China's space program and the global effort to counter climate change. However, as we marvel at these captivating lights, the truth behind their origin is far more chilling than we could have imagined, a tangible reminder of the ongoing environmental crisis. As the skies above Hawaii continue to be lit up by these breathtaking lights, it's difficult to resist pondering what other secrets the night sky may hold. With the dual Japanese-branded camera having commenced operations only in 2021, it's evident that we can anticipate further revelations and striking images from this enigmatic region of the world. Our planet's mysteries continue to both astonish and unsettle us, and we can only hope that our technological advancements will aid us in deciphering them. Thanks for watching. By beginning your Enlisted adventure using our link, you're not just stepping onto the battlefield of epic historical warfare, you're also giving a huge boost to our channel. So, ready to immerse yourself in history? test your strategic prowess, and lend us your support, click that link in the description, and let's write history together in Enlisted.